Now, the real strength of the argument about soul is not to get into this difficult position of saying, well, how can the soul survive the death? But to reverse it and say, how is it possible for anything to be destroyed? Science is quite accustomed to dealing with things that can't be destroyed. Mass, energy, conservation of charge, conservation of momentum, all these things can't be destroyed. So the question, when you narrow it down to the one of, well, what is it that can be destroyed, it becomes quite obvious that something that's constructed can be deconstructed. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. If you put things together, let's say out of bricks, then you can knock them apart. But you can't destroy the substance of the brick. Of course, Aristotle's difficulty was, well, the brick is a form. Mm-hmm. You break up the brick, and you have little molecules of clay. It's still a form. Now, this, however, is not a perpetual regression because, as we've proved in science, you ultimately come to final units of substance, protons and electrons. So that you can say these protons and electrons is the ultimate substance. It's not a form that can be broken up and changed into something else. It remains, it's conserved. So if you think of the soul as that primary substance out of which things are formed, then death doesn't eliminate it. Mm-hmm. It simply changes its form.